Hello everyone and welcome to my kitchen. Different view today just because I am using my tablet today because my laptop is out of battery and my charging cord is at work, which does me no good from home. So we're using the tablet today, which works out fine. Yeah, different view. Today we're going to make some fruit crisp. I don't have enough of any one particular type of fruit, but I do have some fruit in the freezer that I would like to do something with and just haven't, and this seems like a good option. So it's going to be a little weird. So I have some frozen blueberries, and I have a package of Dole's sliced strawberries and banana, and it's going to be kind of like a medley. So what you need to do first is you need to put your fruit in your square baking dish. Covering up Gwen. I'm so sorry, Gwen. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! You have no idea what's going on. We're gonna go ahead and get this open. Oh, the struggles. Alright, go ahead and put that down. So this is still kind of frozen, but break it up, it'll be fine. My top, back, and the back. There we go. Add some blueberries. Actually, this is probably going to be pretty good this way. Alright. We are done with that. Break it up a bit. Try to get it as thawed as you can. I didn't get it out in time. I'm really failing today with stuff, but it says about 5 cups. This fills it nicely, just one bag of that, and then the blueberries, which the blueberries don't take up much room, so it's a pretty good judge for you. Okay, next you need to add granulated sugar. Since we have the weird angle here, I'll keep this in my lap. I can't actually tell if you guys can see Gwen or not. Like, I think you can, but it's really dark from where I'm at. If I move this way, I can tell. But from here, it's pretty dark. So. I think I know why. I think it's because the light's on in the kitchen. And I was focusing on that. Let's turn that off real quick. Hey, that's better. Okay. Is that better? You like your cookie? Yep. Alright, so you need 2 to 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar. However much you feel like. And just sprinkle it over the top. Just like that. I'm going to go with 3. Bananas are pretty sweet, but the strawberries and the blueberries are pretty tart, so. Alright. You're done with your sugar. And we're going to set this aside. And we're going to work on the topping next. So this is I know I say everything's super simple, right? This one is really actually simple. Okay, so fun fact, my large mixing bowls are currently in the dishwasher because I forgot to run it. So I don't have anything to mix all this in except a really big pot. So you guys won't be able to see what I'm doing, but I will tell you what's going on. So we're going to topping, we want to add some oats, brown sugar, flour, and either nutmeg, ginger, cinnamon, whatever you want. I'm going to add cinnamon. I think that'd work best with this. You will want ½ cup oats and ½ cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of flour, And then however much, it says use a 1/4 teaspoon of your seasoning, but I'm just going to sprinkle it in until I'm happy. So we're going to do that now. Oats first. Using up my breakfast, Gwen. Right, brown sugar, 1/2 cup. Flour is a 1/4 cup. Did you finish that? Alright, and then sprinkle in your cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, whatever, until you're happy. That's probably good. Whew. And we're going to mix that up. I'm going to use a fork because this process you're going to want to be coarse. There's Gwen. So break up your brown sugar chunks. Brown sugar really likes to do that, doesn't it? Okay. Now you're going to add a 1/4 cup of either butter, margarine, and I'm not melting it because I actually need it to be crumbly, which is also why I'm using a fork. So I'm going to scoop out a 1/4 cup of my margarine, which I decided was going to be easier to work with for this project. Scrape out the excess and get it in here. Good, good. And then you're going to take your fork and you're going to stir it up until you have coarse crumbs. So like you have pea-sized crumbs, basically. My butter doesn't want to break up. What do you think, Gwen? This fun? You need a nap, don't you? You look tired. Yes, you do. Yes. It likes to stick to the fork. So keep that knife handy. I would hit pause, but it's so far away. Sorry, watching my cat wash a dump truck. Fascinating things. Okay, that looks pretty good. Look, something like that. You can see? Scrape off. Fork again. Looks good. And now we're going to sprinkle it over the top of this. Which looks pretty great. Spoon. And I have some loose sugar down here, but okay, done with that. Spoon, spread it over the top. I think this is going to be pretty good. You want to set your oven to 375 degrees, and you're going to pop this sucker in for 30 minutes. So I'll show it to you with a picture when we're done, because of the tablet I unfortunately don't have a pause button, which is really strange. That is strange, isn't it, Gwen? Exactly, yeah. So we'll take care of that later.